Jesus looked at them and said, "With man, this is impossible, but with God, all things are possible." Matthew 19:26. Oh, family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovista channel. I do hope you're doing well, and I hope you're taking good care of yourself. Where are my Waakye lovers? Hajia Waakyetuo is in town. She prepared this Waakye without leaves. Oh yes. So please stay tuned because you will be able to make Waakye anytime, anywhere, any day that you like. This particular Waakye has a lot of different names that I give to it. I call it Waakyebougie, Waakye, Waakyeboga. Please make sure you watch to the end for the fun part. Do not miss out. Stay tuned. This Waakye needs just few ingredients and you will be blown away by the results. I need just my black-eyed beans, rice, preferably jasmine rice, and bicarbonate soda, and some salt, and optional I use some coconut milk as well. To start with, I fill my pot with 6 cups of water and add a tablespoon of bicarbonate soda, and I allow it to boil over, and then I will go in with my beans. Boiling the bicarbonate soda in the water is really very important. It ensures a faster cooking time for your beans, as we all know that beans can take quite a longer time. Also gives that rich color that your Waakye needs. Okay, yes, when you put the beans in and it's boiling over, it forms a reaction that it can be quite messy. This foamy substance can literally go everywhere on your gas and it's going to create a huge mess. To prevent that, you can put your wooden ladle in your pot like so, and it will be foamy on top, but it will never run over. Okay, this was a tip that my mom showed me and it has been such a great help. Do it like that and it will never run over your pot. Okay, so at the moment, I have cooked these beans for about 25 to 30 minutes, and with the help of the bicarbonate soda, it softens up really very fast. And you do not also want to cook your beans perfectly. It has to be semi-cooked, okay? Easy enough for you to break through with your hands, and that is the perfect time for you to introduce your rice. All right, so one of the biggest secrets to a great Waakye is to have more beans than the rice. This point I used about 800 grams of beans and I only use 1 cup of rice. So we're going to stir our rice and beans and make sure they are very well incorporated, and add our salt to taste, and then cover it and cook this through on a low medium heat. You will need to check your Waakye every 10 to 15 minutes and make sure you stir it well. After 10 minutes of cooking my Waakye, I just go ahead to add about 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, and let me tell you, it brings out that boughiness that the Waakye needs. It makes it taste better, in my opinion. So next time you're cooking your Waakye, please add just tiny little drops of coconut milk and you will experience a different taste to your Waakye. Thank me later. Cover it again and check every 5 to 10 minutes on a low heat. Do not forget that. So after my 4th time of checking, my Waakye is cooked perfectly the way I want it to be, looking super soft and super rich, the way I want my Waakye to be. The thing is, I want my color to pop a little bit more. So this time around, I'm going to totally turn off the heat and cover it for at least 3 minutes. And when I open it again, you will see that rich color of your waakye. That authentic color will just pop up, and that is it. Your waakye is done. It's so ready to be served. Just look at that. Now tell me, would you ever tell that this waakye was cooked without the sorghum leaves? I bet not. Look how rich and beautiful it is looking. And yes, the thing that I need for my waakye is representing. The salad is saying hi. Taliano is saying hi. And I have my gari, aka gale. Yeah, and I have my avocado. The shito is well represented. Of course, my waakye stew is popping with the fish and the wile and everything, eggs, everything that I need here. So I just drop all the secret that you need for your best waakye from your favorite waakye seller. So yeah, you know, just try it. Do not let anybody intimidate you on Instagram with their waakye. I've given you this recipe. Try it. Oh yes, do not let frustration get to you because you're not in Ghana. You cannot buy your waakye on the roadside. Yes, you can. You can do it right at the comfort of your home. Okay? Oh yes, I just created my own waakye joint right in my kitchen. Serving myself and talking to myself. Mama better saying, better Talia saying, salad and so saying, Gary saying, I mean, do it, okay? Be in the mood. This is mood. I'm dying of laughter here. So yes, just make yourself happy the little tiny way that you can, okay? Cause wahala no, you know the finish. Let me just leave you and enjoy the rest of your waakye joint, okay? Make sure you create this, and if you create it, please tag me on Instagram because this is so funny. Yes, I bought my waakye, and this waakye is 10 Ghana cedis straight. It's popping with everything that I need. My sobolo is also on the side, so you can only imagine. So there you have it, family. Enjoy, throw it down just like the way you used to do back home. And let me tell you, that fulfillment alone, hey, enjoy life, Wate. Enjoy your life. Like play, we throw it down really well. This is called Waakyebougie. Bougie. Waakye Premium. Waakyebougie. Waakye Premium Ankasa. What I say? It is just so delicious. So delicious. Just look at that. Please make sure you wash your hands very well when you're doing this, okay? Thank you. So another way that I love to enjoy my waakye is to turn my waakye into a motu. Yes, if you love your emutuo with a touch of beans, I promise you are definitely going to love this as well. I tried this and it tastes so good with my peanut butter soup. It was so good. This was inspired by Indudu by Fafa. I saw it on her YouTube channel, and it said, yes, that woman is very creative. So I tried it and it was really good. I thought of sharing with you, family, and yeah, it's a best way to also use your leftover waakye into something different. Make it into a bowl, just like the normal rice bowls. You just put it in your soup, whichever soup that you prefer. I had my peanut butter soup ready, so I just threw it down and it was good. It was really good. Okay, yeah, turning it into your waakye bowls is not bad at all. It's innovative. different, you know. If you are somebody who likes to try something different like me, just try this and you are going to love this, okay? So there you have it, family. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meals right at the comfort of your home. And I love to also share kitchen related motivational videos. Please join the family by subscribing, and I promise you're going to enjoy your stay, okay? And also share to few friends and family, and let's help our family grow into a much bigger one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. Bye.